Hi people, I'm David Maybury and I'm the Managing Director of Go Communication Systems, and we specialise in refurbished networks. Thanks for watching. This is just a little about me video really, and the history of my interest in computers and networks. The 70s, when I was a little boy, my dad was an electrical engineer working for the government, and so my engineer interest began very early on with my dad when we were rewiring out houses, and he was sending me down the dirty dusty holes to feed cable into the wall or under the floors. Began actually in 1981 when my best friend, his dad bought him a Sinclair ZX81. And that's where I first learnt how to program BASIC. It was BASIC, and I can't remember exactly what that stands for, but I knew how to take advantage of it, and those were early days of coding. Anyway, a couple of years later, my dad saved up enough money to buy me and a Commodore 64, 1983. That was a fantastic present. So that was my first interest in computers, and having done lots of things, going to college, and doing lots of engineering, computer software type jobs along the way. Fast forward to 1996. That was when I stumbled across the world of telecoms. Back then was the word that we use today for networks, really. I'd been through my gaming phase, but I'd gotten bored and I was looking for something new. And telecoms, networks, was a bit more interesting because it was more valuable for starters. It was more technical. And when something is more technical and it becomes more of a challenge, to me, that's much more interesting. So here we are, decades later, 40 years later, talking about networks, switches and routers. And amazingly, not a great deal has changed in 40 years. You can still buy a switch, you can still buy a router. They're just much faster and cleverer. That's all from me. Have a great day and thanks for watching.